not sure your viewers are gonna like this, but for me, you begin by demonizing religion. Guys, we cannot keep ukona in English. We can't keep hugging and nestling what we know is killing us. Religion has killed our people. The religion has taught our people that their ancestors are demons.
Asịghị na ige ntị ịnụ na ọnwa ife mmụọ na-ekwu kwefu na ọ pụtabago na ọnwego ndị kwube ya before me ise kwa ndị ụka nsị anyị atụraghị gị ịkụ ụka nsị but ụka abụlọ ụka does not exist without ndị ụka so kwa ndị ụka nsị ọma ndị lụọlụ onye ụka mma it no go better for you wey be Christian. It will not be good for you. If you look at anything that is happening in this Nigeria because of corruption, it is because of you. Because of you that I cannot hold my governor to account. And now I call Tinubu Sim Chuba governor, the governor Sim Chuba Tinubu. Oga, oh Makaginwa. If Obuna na call Makagunwa, Mandela give me put attack if he Chubagi. Give on you, okay, put attack if he Chubagi.